an earthquake.
It's an earthquake. The houses around me might fall. I will run toward an open area. Danger ahead. Slide to the right. Danger ahead. Slide to the left. I will stay in an open area until it's over. After playing the game, what have you learned? Now, identify the following actions as right or wrong. During an earthquake, I just cried and didn't run away. Is that correct? When an earthquake strikes, that's right. When I was on the street and an earthquake struck, I ran toward an open area. Is that correct? Good choice. I stepped on the broken glass when I ran. Is that correct? Congratulations, you aced it. Ouch! Is it an earthquake? What do I do? Mommy told me to stay calm during earthquakes. I have to hide with my emergency backpack. Could you help me find my backpack? Thank you. Now, where should I hide? Hide under the table to avoid falling objects. Anywhere else hide under the bed and hold on to the leg. Anywhere else? Hiding in the bathroom is relatively safe. You found them all! If you are at home when an earthquake strikes, under the table and bed and in the bathroom are ideal hiding places. Let's hide! Oh no, the light is out. Let's use the flashlight.
When an earthquake strikes, please stay calm and save your strength. Help will come soon.
Remember to put
Water. Think again. No, try again.
Remember,
Think again. No, try again.
remember to put on all the protective gear. The slip-proof gloves can protect my hands. I'm hurt. What should I do? Use the first aid kit to treat your wound. Thank you. I'm thirsty. Good thing I have water. I'm hungry. Food gives me strength. A blanket can keep me warm.
Anyone in here?
I hear someone. Time to use my whistle to let them know I'm here.
Don't be scared. I will get you out. Do you have an emergency contact card? I can contact your parents.
Yes, thank you.
Carrying an emergency.
Yay! After playing the game, what have you learned? Now identify the following actions as right or wrong. When an earthquake strikes, I panic. Is that right?
Set off some fireworks to add to the celebratory atmosphere. This place is bustling with excitement. Let's go check it out. We celebrate the Dragon Boat Festival by wrapping Zongzi and taking part in the Dragon Boat Race on the 5th day of the 5th month of the lunar calendar.
Choose good bamboo leaves and put them in the basket. These leaves are not good. Awesome. Boil the bamboo leaves. Place the leaves in a pot. The leaves are ready. Pour some water into the bowl. Choose the fillings you like. Peanuts. Mix them all together. What shape of songsu do you like? Choose the songsu fillings. Honeyed dates. Add the glutinous rice. Ham. Mashed purple sweet potato. Put the songsu in the pot. You did it. Place them on a plate. Unwrap the leaves and serve.
During the Dragon Boat Festival, we make dragon boats and then race them. During the Dragon Boat Festival, we make dragon boats and then race them. The race is about to start. Let's form our teams quickly now. We've sorted out the clothes. Now let's start the game. Row the oars to move the boat forward. It's the Dragon Boat Festival. Let's all join in the race. Wow! You won! You're amazing! This place is bustling with excitement. Let's go check it out.